Good morning, children. Good morning, everyone. So, how are you, children? I hope everyone are fine. So, children, we are learning. Now we are going to that is class 4. That is English subjects. So, I hope everyone is understanding my language. So, in Telugu also I am explaining for you a little bit only. I am Telugu using why because the parents will raise again. Why are you telling in the Telugu? So it is English medium. So I am telling you a little bit of Telugu and I am using more English only. So if you have any doubts, you can ask your elders, and if you are going to tuition, then you can also ask the tuition teacher. So now we have completed lesson 8. So that lesson number 7. So we have completed the 7 lessons in our English class number 4, that is. So think before you speak. First lesson we have been completed. The creature in Ahmad Kabul. That lesson we have completed. It is bedtime prayer, that is poem. The brightest and the best, the blind boy, the art of giving. So magician of sea, these trees. So today we are going to learn about a poem. That is also a short poem. That is lesson number 8. So here these trees. So the lesson is these trees. So here, so about these trees, what the trees are there in this, so we will learn. So children, here he given the lesson these trees. So about trees, these trees means here some trees he given. So he given here some trees. So he want to know about what the trees are here. So what trees? So here the name. He has written the poem. Liana Mahani. So Liana Mahani is the name. These trees about he wrote it. It's Liana Mahani. So he wrote this poem. So what about trees he wrote? We will learn now in this lesson. So these trees, that is, if walnut comes from walnut trees, here he is telling everyone know what is meant by walnut, that is dry fruits. So comes from walnut trees and almonds come from almond trees, then how comes acorn comes from oaks? Can anyone explain this, please? So here what he is telling, the first paragraph, the walnuts. So walnuts, from where we will get? Walnut trees. So walnut trees. So after that almonds, from which we will get almond trees. So these two will get from their own trees. So ee oka chetlu walnut trees nunchi walnuts vastayi, tarvata vachesi almond tree nunchi almonds vastayi. So next what he is saying here? So what he is saying here, ee oka trees ee chetla nunchi vastayi. Next, then how comes acorn? Acorn, everyone know acorn trees. Corn from a oak. So acorn, there is a acorn tree. It will come from oaks. So oak tree nunchi crowns vastaya. Can anyone explain this, please? No. So what your explanation is? No. It will not come. It will not come. So from the crown trees you will not get oaks. So from the crown, whatever trees, it may be mango. Example I will tell for you to explain it deeply. మీకు ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ అర్థం అవ్వడానికి ఈ యొక్క పారాగ్రాఫ్ అర్థం కావడానికి నేను ఏం చెప్తానంటే, ఇక్కడ వాల్నట్ నుంచి వాల్నట్ వస్తాయి. ఒక చెట్లో నుంచి ఏ చెట్టు నుంచి ఆ కాయ కాస్తుంది. అంతేగాని ఇంకో చెట్టు నుంచి ఇంకో కాయ కావాలంటే అక్కడ ఇది అసాధ్యం. It is none. Okay. So here what is asking, can you explain here from a crown? Acorns come from oak. No, it will not come, because which plant will grow, that fruit only will get with the help of that plant. So if human beings are there, we are the human beings. From we will get animals, we will born animals. No, only the human beings we will get. So this is the explanation of the first paragraph. First stanza. If walnut comes from walnut trees and almonds come from almond trees, then how can acorn? Acorns come from oaks. So Here, can you explain this please? So here we will not get any plant from any other trees. So it is maybe mango. So here we know from the mango tree we will get mangoes, not apples. Yes or no? So this is the explanation of example here given in the stanzas. So we are moving to the next stanza. A redwood tree is not red really. Here what is telling? A redwood trees. So here redwood tree. Wood means there are stems of trees. Not really red. So here redwood trees will be not really red, and red pine trees are green, not red. So why it is the white bridge apple name, and why the tea pine green inside? So here is telling a red plant will be not in red. So here a red tree pine it will be not be in a green. So here is telling you why not. Why not means, so here every tree will grow in a green. Everyone know that plants will grow in a green color. So some plants after they will shed their leaves, they will become that is also a brown color, it may be golden color it becomes. So here what is saying? A redwood tree, not really red, it is not really red. Next, a red pine tree, it is green, not red. So here is telling it is not green, it is not red. So a red pine tree are green. So here it is telling a red pine trees are green, but not in a red. Next, the third one. So why it is takes place with a bridge aptly named. So it is a bridge that is named. It is aptly. Next, and why it is white pine green inside. So why it is a green inside is telling here. So this is the second stanza we have been completed. Now again I will repeat these two stanzas for you, this poem. If walnut comes from walnut trees and almonds come from almond trees, then how comes acorn comes from oaks? Next, can you explain this please? Yes. So a redwood tree is not really red, and a red pine tree are green, not red. So why the white bridge aptly named, and why this the white pine tree inside? So here he is giving the question mark. So here I have explained you. So here it is given the question mark. Now, ash tree do not grow ashes, right? So here if a color is ash, it grows ash color? No, because why? Because it is in a green color, it will go green only. So here he is asking in the poem. Now ash tree do not grow ash color. Yes. So if any whatever we keep there, if that one will grow in that color, it is not good. So mangoes it will be green, and after makin tarvata avi a color avutadi, mango color it is yellow. So some will be reddish color also in that. So the tree whatever green color is there, the fruits also it is not a red present. అక్కడ అవసరం అది ఖచ్చితంగా అయ్యో ఒక కలరే ఉండాలని లేదు. ఏ కలర్ ఉంటుంది ప్లాంట్స్ ఆ కలరే ఉంటాయి. సో ఆ కలర్ మాత్రమే పూస్తాయి. ఇప్పుడు ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఐ విల్ టెల్ అబౌట్ ప్లాంట్స్, దట్ ఈస్ ఫ్లవర్స్ ప్లాంట్స్. సో రోజ్ ఇస్ దేర్. So rose plants, which color? It will be green color. But roses are different color. Red color it will grow. A pool pustai, red pustai, yellow pustai, white pustai, pink pustai. So the stem will be pink color. No, that is only the green in color. So whatever it may be, the colors of the stem, it will be green. And the root, so whatever it may be plants, that will be grows green. So here ash tree is there. It has to grow ash. There is no rule. Okay, right? And beech trees are not on beaches, right? So here beech trees are not right on the beaches. So and fir trees does not have furry trunks. Yeah, fig trees. So here fig trees we have learned in science. Okay, it will grow on the hills, mountains. So they don't have flowers and fruits. So they will grow so here what he is telling, they do not. So trees do not have furry trunks. They don't have furry trunks. Although that would be quiet and sad. So here what is telling, although that would be quiet and cute and sight. So it will be cute and very sight. Although they are not a they don't have furry trunks. So they are very cute and sight. So this is the third one. So once again 1, 2, 3 I will repeat. If walnut come from walnut trees and almonds come from almond trees, then how come acorn comes from ox? Can anyone explain this, please? A redwood trees, not really red, and red pine trees are green, not red. So why is the white beech aptly named? And why is the white pine green inside? Now ash trees do not grow as ashes, right? And beech trees are not on beaches, right? And fir trees do not have furry trunks, although that would be quite cute and sight. So these are the 3 paragraphs. 1, 2, 3. Linely we have been completed here. 1, 2, 3. So next we are going to the 4th one. So these trees wish it would be lost in confusing in the wood. If trees have better chosen names, they might be better understood. So here these trees. So here what is telling? These trees and these trees. I wish I would. It is my wish. Nayaka korika wishes. So I would be less confusing in wood. Wood means everyone know. So the stem of the trees means in the nunchi grow అవుతాయి మొత్తం ఆ యొక్క వుడ్ తోటి మనం బెంచెస్ కానీ రెడీ చేస్తాం దాన్ని చెక్క అంట. సో టేక్ మేబీ బెంచ్. సో వుడ్. సో స్టెమ్ ఆఫ్ a tree. Trees has better chosen names. So here they have chosen better names. They might have been better understood for us. So it is telling better understanding of the trees. How to know about trees better? So they might have chosen their names in the better. So how we will choose their names in the better? So we have already told in the previous classes. So many trees are there. Eucalyptus tree, cactus tree that may grow. So fir, pine, cashew nut. So many trees are there. They are better correct. Choose their names is telling that is the right choose them. So some of the growing wherever it may be, they don't have the names, but here he wants to understand better. So he is telling to it has to a tree has a better chosen names that they have might be better understood. He is telling. So this is the last stanza we have been completed. So about trees we have learned. What we have learned? So whatever the tree it will grow, the fruits will grow to that tree only. Not one here mango tree is there, apple will not grow. So apple tree, mango will not grow. So this is the lesson we have learned from this. A small poem. Once again 4 stanzas I will explain you children. So once again listen carefully. So I am telling twice because here you must understand clearly my poem. If walnut comes from walnut trees and almonds come from almonds trees, then how comes acorns come from oaks? Can anyone explain this, please? So can anyone explain these? A redwood trees not really red, and red pine trees are green, not red. So why is the white beech aptly named? And why is the white pine green instead? So now ash tree do not grow ashes, right? And beech trees are not on beaches, right? And fig trees do not have furry trunks, although that would be quite an cute and sight. These trees wish it would be less confusing in the wood. If trees have a better chosen names, they might be better understood. These trees, I wish it would be less confusing in the wood. If trees has better chosen names, they might be better understood. So this is the lesson we have been learn about the trees. So children, it is a very small one. So it is a very small 4 stanzas are there. So here he given about the trees. So children, the small homework I will give, because in the rough notebooks also you can write it. So please, these trees you are given here. Since this is your short homework, these trees, please draw the trees here. Whatever he given in the pictures, please draw these trees. This all I will write out for you on the blackboard. So please draw this tree and mention the lesson number 8. These trees, write as name. Next 1, 2, 3, 4 paragraph standards you write in your homework. So in your homework. So it is a page number 38. So please children do for me. So please do it for me. So because you will go through, once if you have books, you will go through it and you will be better reading well. So whenever I am explaining the online classes, I am thinking that you are understanding my language, and also I am using in Telugu also for you to explain little bit. So for you also to how to understand, if you have books, you will be very neatly understood. So children, I have been completed now the lesson and small homework I have given for you. So please mention this is poem. Here poem. Write in your rough notebook and draw very neatly. So next we are going to the summative. Okay. So summative and formative assessment I am moving here. And formative assessment, that is bit number 1. So, what is the main idea of the poem? Here, what is the main idea? So, we have learned that is, here the tree on the, here the name of the trees are not always obvious. So, here we have learned in this all over, moreover the trees are there, it is not obvious. Okay. The first one is, answer is, what is the main? This is a question I am writing here. Idea of the poem. So what is the main idea of the poem is? The answer is C. The answer is C. That is the name. So the names of trees are not always obvious. So here the words are not always obvious. So this is the first answer. So the second one is, so what is the actual color? So everyone know what is the actual color of the white pine. So this is the, what is the color of actual white pine. So here we will write the answer now. So what is the answer now? What is the actual color of the white pine? So here I will write the actual color of white pine is green. So actual color of a plant will be green. So this is the answer. Okay. So this is the two answers that is in the bit number 1. So bit number 2. This is what is the actual color of the white pine. It is a green. So these are the two. Bit number 1 and 2 has been completed. So we are moving to the bit number 3. Now we will move to the bit number 3. According to the poem which, so now I am not writing the questions. This I am mentioning the answers here. So according to the poem, which tree is red? Here redwood tree is a red. So here the bit number C. Bit number 3 answer is C. That is neither of these. So here redwood tree, red oak tree, neither of these, both of these. So it is neither. So neither it is red, it is redwood. So this is the third one. Next fourth one is line 7. Read is telling 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And why is the white pine green inside? So we have read in line number 7. So why the white, which absolutely named, approximately and suitable. So this is the fourth one. It is. So what is here telling? It is approx. smartly. Next, suitable. It is suitably. So this is the 5. So fifth one, according to the poem, how you arrange the understand of a tree. So it is, I am leaving for you. Next, the last bit is thinking skills. So here thinking skills, what we have to learn here, we will see. Okay. So thinking skills are there. So now I will just write the numbers for you now. This is last sixth bit now. Just I will write the numbers. Just you write it here. Okay. First one is, so just here children, Goda watches TV for 1 hour. He given friend మీకు తెలుసు అక్కడ ఒకటి ఇక్కడ ఒకటి ఇచ్చాడు, దాన్ని మనం రీఅరేంజ్ చేసి రాయాలి. సో నేను ఇక్కడ ఓన్లీ ఫస్ట్ 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 are there. The 14 I am rearranging and giving the, so 1, so here I am writing 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, after 8 9, so 10 11 and 12, here 13 and 14. So here in orderly he given the 14 ఇచ్చాడు ఇక్కడ 1 2 3 4. So దాని నేను numbers, just I will mention the numbers. Here 9 is there. So the ninth one, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So Goda gets up in the morning. That first one is that one. So please just I am writing the numbers. 9. First one is 9. The second one is 8. The second one is 8. The third one is 2, 5, 10, 4, 11. Next it is 7, 1, 6, 3, 14, 13. So 12. So why I am giving here for you numbers means, so children listen. So I am giving here for you the numbers only. Why? Because it takes so much of time to write on the blackboard. If it is in the class, I will used to write for you. Just to mention in the numbers. First one is, ninth one is, so here what is first one? Goda gets up in the morning. It is Goda. So get up in the morning. The second one is, she brushes her teeth and ate breakfast. The third one is, her mother dragged her to the school. So these are the, here given the numbers 9, 8, 2, 5. So please, where is first one? Ninth one, write down in first one. Ninth one lo first one. Third one lo second one. Next mali second one lo, ఈ సెకండ్ వన్లో ఏది రాయాలి మీరు? సెకండ్ వన్ ఇది రాయాలి సెకండ్ బిట్లో. థర్డ్ వన్లో థర్డ్ రోలో ఇక్కడ ఉంది థర్డ్ వన్. 11th వన్ థర్డ్లో రాయాలి. ఓకేనా? నెక్స్ట్ ఫోర్త్ వన్ ఎక్కడ ఉంది? 4 ఎక్కడ ఉంది? 6లో 4 ఉంది. సో ఆ 4th 6th తీసుకొచ్చి 4thలో రాయాలి. సో దీస్ ఆర్ ద lesson. I have been completed lesson number 8 children for you class 4. So now I am leaving your class. So this is very easy children. I explain you in Telugu also. ఎక్కడ నెంబర్ 1 ఉందో అక్కడ 1లో తీసుకొచ్చి రాయాలి. నెంబర్ 3 ఉంది, 3లో 2 రాయాలి. So thank you very much children to listen my lesson. If you are not understanding my lessons, please take your help of your elders. Your mother, father, maybe tuition teacher, take the help of them. Thank you very much to listen my lesson.